Okay, I'm gonna take a short video of my Chevy Monte Carlo with my LED lights. These are my turn signals, marker lights. They are white. As you can see, they flash yellow. Still white on the other side. This is all my fog lights turned on. Now for the new LED headlights that I installed today. That's them turned on. Definitely the whole front of my car is white. Okay, got one more light to turn on. Actually two. There we have it. We had the light bar lit up. All my LED lights are all on. Trust me, I'm looking at it and it's bright as shit. Four ways flashing. And of course, I can't forget the back of it. LED lights everywhere. My turn signals, my brake lights, my reverse lights. Every light bulb is LED. As you can see, it's pretty bright. Not too bad. And there you have it. All done.